The Learn, Work, and Earn initiative is a comprehensive training and mentorship program that aims to empower Corps members serving in the National Youth Service Corps with the necessary skills and knowledge in the field of agriculture, transforming them into successful agricultural entrepreneurs. Our goal is to help young minds realize the immense potential and countless benefits of agriculture, from sustainable farming practices to innovative techniques, and also an opportunity to gain hands-on experience, work alongside industry experts, and unlock a world of possibilities in the agricultural sector. Here are some beneficiaries of the Learn, Work, and Earn initiative.
Click for the right there. The person in charge of Greenhouse 1.
Hi, my name is Agashi Charles. I'm in charge of Greenhouse 2.
Hi guys, my name is Patrick Ikim.
My name is Precious.
Welcome to Greenhouse 3.
Hi guys.
My name is Ayuba Abdulakim.
My name is Eunice.
We are the ones managing Greenhouse 4.
Hi guys, welcome to Greenhouse 5. My name is Falere Tobiloba, Miracle, popularly known as Abefele.
Anna Abisolalale.
Hi everyone, my name is Titilayo.
Okay, and I'm Akobi Peter by name.
You are welcome to Greenhouse 6.
Hello guys, my name is Clinton Onome and welcome to Greenhouse 7.
So I would just say, basically it's a learning, like it's a learn, work and earn, and it's really been fun and exciting. We've been enjoying the moment.
I did study agriculture, but coming to this place is a good one to learn and probably improve by life.
My experience through this journey so far has been an amazing one. It has been a learning experience.
Okay, mine has been good. I learned a lot. I've learned a lot so far concerning the plants and how to manage the greenhouse.
Journey here is very interesting because I learned a lot of things. So, but I'm not going to say it's not. It's really a serious journey.
Yes, it's been good, it's been tedious, it's been fun, interesting, and with us working together, we are achieving something.
This greenhouse, I'm really excited and I'm so happy about the plants, the way they are growing, the way they are all just giving me joy. So I'm happy to work here, learn, and I'm earning my own money.
There's a saying that say work smart, not hard. So in this greenhouse, we do work smart, not hard.
Well, it's been going well. It's been going well. That's just what I have to say.
It has been great learning new things, concerning growing plants till its harvest period. So I've been able to learn with me and my partner. We'll be able to learn over the long period of time.
So far so good. It has been tough. It has been fun. The learning experience has been very good. We learn and then we unlearn. Managing this greenhouse from the transplanting stage to the stage where they are now has not been easy, but we have been up to the task. But I want to thank Fuente Farm for the Learn, Work and Earn initiative. It has been very helpful to me. And I say, God bless Fuente Farm.